quarry. If anyone's sober enough to drive a car, best thing in the world to keep your head from buzzing. But you gotta be careful to dive where the deep pool is. If you hit a rock, you won't come up till tomorrow. How's my sister?
She's doing okay.
And how's the baby?
Baby won't come till tomorrow, so they told me to get some shut-eye.
Does that mean we're going to be alone here? Just the two of us?
Yep. Just me and you, Blanche. Unless you got someone hid under the bed, huh? You got someone hid under the bed, huh? So what you got all these fine feathers for, huh?
Oh, that's right. You left before my telegram arrived.
You got a wire?
I received a telegram from an old admirer of mine, Mr. Shep Huntley, inviting me on a cruise of the Caribbean.
Wow, what do you know?
Well, the trouble is clothes. I'm just looking around in my trunk to see what I had that was suitable for the tropics.
And you come up with that gorgeous diamond tiara.
Oh, this old relic? Why? It's only rhinestones.
Oh, I thought it was Tiffany diamonds, yeah.
What are you doing?
Wow, it's a red letter night for both of us then. You, the Texas all-millionaire, and me having a baby.
What are you doing in here?
Oh, here's something I like to pull out on every special occasion. The silk pajamas I wore on my wedding night. When that phone rings and they say, you got a boy, I'm gonna take these off, wave it like a flag.
When I
Guess we're
think-
both entitled to put on the dog, right?
When I think of how divine it would be to have such a thing as privacy once more, I could weep with joy.
Privacy, huh? Why, this Texas all-millionaire of yours, he ain't gonna interfere with your privacy, are they?
It won't be the sort of thing you have in mind. This man respects me. What he wants is my companionship. Having great wealth sometimes makes people lonely. A cultivated woman, a woman of intelligence and breeding, can enrich a man's life immeasurably. I have all these things to offer, and this doesn't take it away. Physical beauty is passing, a transitory possession. How strange that I should be called a destitute woman when I have all of these treasures locked in my heart. I think of myself as a very, very rich woman. But I have been a fool, casting my pearls before swine like you.
Swine, huh?
Swine! Not just you, but your friend, Mr. Mitchell, who dared to come in here this evening and repeat slander to me, vicious slander that he'd obviously gotten from you. Well, I gave his walking papers fast enough.
You did, huh?
I did. But then he came back with a box of roses to beg my forgiveness. He implored my forgiveness. But some things are not forgivable. Deliberate cruelty is not forgivable. It's the one thing that I have never, ever been guilty of.
Tell me something. Was this before or after the telegram from Mr. Texas Oil Millionaire?
What tell? Oh, as a matter of fact.
As a matter of fact, there was no telegram. And there is no millionaire. And Mitch didn't come here with no bunch of roses, because I know where he's been. This is nothing but your goddamn imagination, and lies, and conceit, and tricks. Just look at you. Look at you in that worn-out Mardi Gras outfit, rented from some rag picker for 50 cents, and with that crazy crown on your forehead. What kind of queen do you think you are, huh? I've been on to you from the very start. You have never pulled no wool over this boy's eyes. You come in over here. You sprinkle the place with powder. You spray perfume everywhere. You put paper lanterns on my light. And this place is suddenly Egypt, huh? And you're the queen of the Nile, sitting there on that throne, swilling down my liquor. I say, ha, ha, ha. You got it? Ha, ha, ha.
Operator, give me long distance. I want to speak to Mr. Shep Huntley of Dallas, Texas. Well, he's so famous, he doesn't need any number. Well, I don't know. Just give me Western Union. Western Union. I'm in desperate circumstances. I'm caught in a trap. I'm caught in a...
You left that phone off the hook.
Let me get by you.
So you can get by me?
You stand over there.
Got enough room to go by me now?
Not with you standing there, but I gotta get up somehow.
You think I'm gonna interfere with you? Well, then maybe you won't be too bad to interfere with.
Stand back! Don't come towards me another step, or something terrible will happen.
Yeah, like what?
It will.
Yeah. What you do that for, huh?
So I can twist this in your face.
Oh, I bet you would do that.
Yes, I will. If you come towards me another step.
So you want to play rough? Let's play rough, huh? Let's play rough. Come on, drop the bottle, Tyler. Drop the bottle. We've had this date with each other from the beginning.